challenge right here, tug and war, Jeep versus a Ford. Hey, you want to do this one real quick? You ready?
Yeah.
Go!
Go, Brandon. That was in four-wheel drive, too.
That's cheating right there.
Four-wheel drive.
No, he's cheating. Tell him to put it into
Isaac, put it in two-wheel drive. That's cheating.
You got a head start now. Come on.
You ready?
What did I tell you, Brandon?
Wait.
Hold
Hold
up.
on. What are you doing?
Put it in low range. Don't go low range.
I told you it ain't working.
You ready? Go!
Nobody. Done, Brandon.
If I can get it in low range, then we're good.
Well, you ain't gonna do that. Nobody went nowhere.
Yeah, I know.
I think I got it.
Here.
Nobody was going over. Y'all just said it. You was digging a hole. You was burning the rubber. Heard him going. I put it in two-wheel drive just now. He sat here. That's all he was.